in Kuwait.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. This time we're gonna show you how to make one version of maqlooba. So first we're gonna start by cutting our eggplant, and as you can see here, I'm removing part of the peel of the eggplant, and then I'm cutting them into about 2 centimeters thickness. I have a total of 3 eggplants. So to remove any bitterness from the eggplant, I'm gonna soak them in water and salt for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you the amount of cauliflower that I'm gonna be using. This is about half a head of cauliflower. Now I'm cutting my potatoes and I'm peeling them. Again, you want to keep the same thickness in the potatoes and the eggplant. If you cut them too thin, they will lose their shape and they will disintegrate in the rice. Now I will proceed to prepare my onions, and I'm gonna dice them into a medium-sized dice. Now I have a pot here with oil, and I'm gonna fry my onions until they are tender and translucent. Then I'm gonna proceed to add the whole spices, and for the list of all the spices that I'm using here, please look at the description box below. Then I'm gonna proceed to add the chicken stock and the chicken. And I'm gonna fry the chicken a little bit before I add any water. Initially, I only add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then after the chicken is boiling, I adjust the salt to my taste. Remember, this stock is gonna give the flavor to the rice and the eggplant and everything, so you want it to be a little bit salty, but not too much. While the chicken is boiling, I'm gonna proceed to fry all the potatoes, the eggplant, and the cauliflower. What I'm showing you here is the water where the eggplant was placed, and as you can see, it changed color. Now I'm gonna drain them and make sure that they are dry before I actually fry them. So to further dry the eggplants, what I do is I go in with a paper towel, and then I make sure that my oil is fairly hot before I place them in. What you're looking for is a slight golden color. Now this step you can skip, but my kids don't like to see any onion in the rice, so I'm removing it along with the whole spices. Now we can proceed to arrange the maqlooba. First we're gonna place the chicken on the bottom, then on top we're gonna place the eggplant, the potatoes and the cauliflower. Now we're gonna add the rice on top, and we want to make sure that the ingredients don't mix. Then we carefully pour in the chicken stock. Now we're gonna place our pot on high heat until you cannot see the water on top. Then you cover it with aluminum foil and you keep it for 25 minutes in low fire. After the rice is done, then you can turn over your pot on a tray, and this is how it's gonna look like. Usually I put pine nuts on top, but this time I didn't have, so I put almonds, and this rice is really delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes.